My name is Julien Fisher, and I'm currently a fourth-year student in the Sculpture and Installation program at OCAD University. Right now I'm located in Montreal, Quebec. In the past, I had experiences with working on residential sites, so helping building homes or working with general contractors with renovations or improving things from landscaping to tiling. I got to experience kind of a gamut of different things. The benefit of working with general contractors is you kind of just get to get involved in anything. For the platform piece, I see it as like a hyper-constructed space, maybe like a pier, or here in Montreal, they have these man-made islands, and I was just thinking about how these spaces kind of manifest what it takes to make them, and kind of how they seem so kind of indescribable in their formation. The objects with the glass on them, I actually use a technique called Bottledash, and I'm originally from out west in Edmonton, Alberta, and there's a technique there kind of in these old World War II homes, post-World War II built homes, that they kind of used whatever material they had at hand, and so they would coat the home in stucco and then break up beer bottles on site and kind of feather them into the work, and so it's a material that I grew up with. So sculpture and installation is great, and I think a lot of students that went to OCAD in a specific program like painting or drawing sometimes find themselves back at the sculpture program because it's so open. I think to kind of get into sculpture, you just need to be interesting, you need to be interested in interesting things, and you need to enjoy making things, whether it's digitally or fabricating them by your hands.